The last 2 times that we tried following Cooking Mama recipes in real life, things got very interesting. Why did they do it so quickly? No! Oh my god. So I thought for today's video what we should do is follow one more savory dish and also a sweet dish from Cooking Mama and just replicate every single movement in real life. The very first dish we're gonna be making today is the savory dish because I want to save the sweet for dessert. So the name of the dish is yakitori. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong because I think it's Japanese. It's basically chicken, so this is potentially dangerous because I'm gonna poison myself most likely. So I don't even know exactly how I'm going to replicate this, but I'm gonna figure it out as we do it. And then the dessert, guys, for this video is the single most difficult dish we've ever made from Cooking Mama, so I love that for me. I'm pretty sure I've got everything for the first step, so I'm just gonna press play and you know how it works. Okay. Oh, this is more difficult than it seems. That is a really long chicken, Mama. I can't even get through my first one. No! I literally couldn't even get through my first piece of chicken. I kind of did it in real time. I mean, I nearly chopped off my fingers, but that sort of worked, so... Okay. Okay. Oh, Mama is kind of messing up there. Okay. Ooh. Mama, get it together. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, I spoke too soon. I think we're one behind. Okay. Last one, I think. Oh no. Oh my god, we need 2 more. Ooh, we're moving into tomatoes. When did that happen? Oh my god. My tomatoes don't even have any, like, bits to remove. Okay, I lost count. I officially lost it. It started great. I only got 4 tomatoes, I think, out of 10. Okay, 1 chicken, 1 of these, 1 of these. Wait, this is literally impossible. Wait, we need 2 more tomatoes. I can't do not even 1. Oh my god, there's gonna be... Wait, how is it going on the 3rd one already? I'm just going... You know what? I'm just going to... I don't know what I'm doing. Wait, we need some chicken on here. Wait. Okay, let me get some of the chicken. Wait. No! Mama! This is all we got from this. Like... This is a bit weird, but I don't think the game tells you what sauce you're supposed to use for the next part, so I mixed some soya sauce with some sesame oil, so hopefully that's what the game wants me to do. So I'm gonna press play. Ooh, this is quite heavy. Oh. Okay. Wait, it's not going in. No! It's also not even coated. What? Oh, wait, we should try with a different one. It's not going in. Wait. Oh, that's not gonna come out. Wait, is it already going on the next one? I didn't look for a second. Oh, okay, so 1 out. Ooh. Oh my god. This is making a mess. Wait. Oh. I keep on looking away, so I'm not even sure how many they've done, but I've only got 1 more left, so it's the freaking peppers that don't allow you to like push this in. Oh, this one is completely like submerged, so I can't get it out now. Oh no, I'm gonna lose all the stuff. Okay, I'm trying not to make a mess here. Mama, my phone. Mama makes it look so easy. Okay. I think Mama did like 8, I did 4 and a mess. So, what a great time to be alive and cleaning my kitchen. Oh, it's already cooking. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna have to cook this a lot slower. Oh, we need to fan this. I don't have anything. I'm gonna use my slides to fan this. I finished cooking and we're about to do the expectation versus reality, so like the final results. I'm gonna press play and hope it looks anything similar. And here we've got my very own dish. Wow, the cartoon guy is actually me, like eating that at the speed of light. But I think I couldn't really see well, but I think it looked pretty similar. So here we've got our chicken yakitori, and it actually looks really delicious. And I'm gonna enjoy it before we have to move on to dessert, because the dessert dish is going to be the most difficult we've ever done. So please be cooked. It actually tastes really good, but not gonna lie though, some of these steps were the most stressful out of all 3 episodes we've done. I'm trying to get just the chicken because those peppers look spicy. I'm like, not today. Oh wow, that's way too spicy for me. Hell no. Who knew Cooking Mama had a good recipe for yakitori? Can't really pronounce that. As much as I want to sit here and enjoy this, I think we should move on to dessert. I'm really nervous about this, so let's see what happens. For the next recipe, we are going to be making some cupcakes. So I'm going to be following a recipe of cupcakes by Cooking Mama, but here's the thing. I watched the gameplay and I think there might be like 6 different types of decoration for these cupcakes, and you have to do them in like 2 or 3 seconds. So this is like impossible. This is going to be like the messiest one yet. Oh, butter, sugar, and white flour. Okay. Oh, cake flour. And then... oh, that's going really fast, Mama. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Not trying to sound negative here, Mama, but let's reconsider the methods, because it doesn't look great. Okay. Oh my god, this takes a lot longer to fill up. Okay. Hey, we're actually not doing that bad. I'm even faster than Mama. Okay, wait. Oh my god, I'm running out. Okay, we did it! Hey, we didn't even make that much of a mess. Okay, there's a little bit left. This next step is one of those that we can't really follow, so we're simply going to bake these, and I'm gonna guess like 12 minutes maybe. Oh, okay, so this, there's no way we can fail that. Okay, granulated sugar and vanilla extract. Oh my god, that was a lot. Oh. I already made a mess. I had to use the max speed on the last bit because, I mean, this is not really like a frosting. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Okay. Okay. Second one. Where does the color come from? Oh, I think Mom is redoing it. This gives me a little bit more time. Okay, next one. Wow, that was a lot faster. Okay, I messed up. We started great. And I think this is the last one. A little more filled up, but we did it! I don't know why Mama told me to cook 6, because we had 6. I don't think you guys understand how ambitious this next step is, because we are about to decorate 6 cupcakes in one go and in less than like 20 seconds. So I'm gonna press play and just enjoy. Okay. Oh, we need strawberries. Okay. We need these. It didn't work out. So we need these things. Blueberries. What's the next one? Oh, flowers. Okay, flowers. I don't have those. I'll just use that. And the very last one is love hearts. We've got those. Oh my god, I can't believe it actually looks, I mean, oh, okay, on camera it looks a little worse than it does IRL. But I mean, we didn't do a terrible job. We managed to have 6 cupcakes, all differently decorated. Minus this little bit here. And last but not least, here we've got our Cooking Mama cupcakes. And I have to keep it real. Instead of using normal cake flour, that's what Cooking Mama said to use, I actually used the cake mix, so this is gonna be extra thick. I'm gonna eat the blueberry one because I'm feeling healthy. The cream is falling apart, guys, look at that. Does not look appetizing, that's for sure. It's also sticking to the paper, which is really weird, but that is, a flavor. Mama, I am sorry, but I just spent the last 3 hours making 6 cupcakes. It's not even worth it. Okay. And I'm still eating it. Wow. We love trash. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Completely disgusting, but weirdly addictive. That is literally my content on YouTube. I actually have to wipe my hands to prevent me from getting sick from those cupcakes. Wow, I think there's clearly a trend in these videos, which is the savory foods, they usually taste delicious, and then the dessert always sucks. And I think the reason is because baking is very precise and very specific, like you actually need the measurements. When you're cooking something savory, it's like completely different. You can kind of just guess, and most things taste fine. So I'm guessing this is why this is the 3rd episode and we still can get the freaking dessert right. There's a special edition of Cooking Mama, which is Cooking Mama for candy and sweets only, and I think if we tried a recipe from that, that would be a nightmare. But if you want to watch that for next week, definitely give this video a like and I will definitely film it for you guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe and switch my notifications on, especially if you enjoy these Cooking Mama videos. I'm gonna make some more of these, but I'm also gonna make a lot of other stuff starting this week, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. I don't usually excuse myself, but I feel like I should explain to you guys because I sort of have been gone for a week, and the reason why I've been gone is because I really missed my family and my parents. So I flew to Portugal and I took some days off to just sort of spend time with them because I don't think I'm gonna be there for Christmas, so I sort of had to like take a few days to just spend quality time with my family. I know most of you guys are okay with this. Everything's fine. I'm back to making videos. I'm actually gonna try to make videos every other day until January 1st, so this will be a commitment. I think that's everything from me for today. Oh, by the way, I dressed up as Cooking Mama for Halloween, and I don't think I've told you on YouTube yet, so if you want to see a photo of that, go on my Instagram page. It's definitely worth checking if you want to have a laugh. I love you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye!